Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rashapi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kinong hikai bat kisamla pule Jong Women's College haga pratarik ulber arjar khat khandai kila penlong ya ke Kynmaw Burom ya ke Sngi yap bashipho Jong Pundit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar daga ba penlong ya ke jingya tai halor ka phang ga baong haga khtin nong way gender and development ya gane ke jingya tai bala penyai dakatnan IQAC Jong Women's College la penlong hapo ka auditorium Jong kane hi ke jaka pule haga ba ulat ke jella utata gatha roy ulayadon rengkat haga ni ke Sngi komu kongsan hagani kasngi nalor ulat layadon langru ubibek debroy ubadai chairman jongga economic advisory council to the prime minister but udkhot jongga niti ayok nangta u vice chancellor jongga school ba nehu u professor SK Srivastava but QA
what the clan bill contains, whether I should agree to the clan bill, whether I should not agree to the clan bill, etc. Now I had some idea of the Khasi clan system, but I had no idea that it is so complicated and there are so many nuances in it. And eventually, I am still at a loss what is to be done about it. The bill still hasn't come to me. When it comes, I shall certainly have to seek legal opinion about it, because although I know a little bit of law, not much, but this is something which is very, very esoteric to this part. But I would say that the thread of gender equality runs through the tribal society here. So therefore, whatever is done, the matrilineal system obtaining in Khasi Hills and Garo Hills would guarantee a certain degree of gender parity, which would put the rest of India to shame. And Dr. Debra's emphasis on the question of, on the importance of property in gender parity would be vindicated if this thing is borne in mind. Now eventually what's going to happen, that I don't know, but in the context of Uniform Civil Code, although I am, for various reasons which we need not go into, I was always a supporter of a Uniform Civil Code, but some familiarity with the tribal laws has convinced me that it is not possible to have an absolutely Uniform Civil Code. What we can have is a relative Uniform Civil Code, something which will promote gender parity, which will remove the prejudices that exist against women, which will completely do away with things like Khat Panchayat or honor killings or such like that. Having said all these things, it is a great day, International Women's Day, and I send my personal greetings to all the women present over here. And it is in the fitness of things that on this day, in a women's college, we heard a lecture which is in honor of one of the greatest sons of India and my province of Bengal, who had done a great lot for the emancipation of women.